The expression, no turning back, evokes a meaning of an unrelenting spirit of not giving up or of never breaking up. Pwede nating siyang sabihin hindi sumusuko o hindi bumibitaw. But this expression of no turning back can be used or may be done in its very literal understanding. Na literal na tumalikod ka sa taong kaharap mo o sa taong kinakausap mo. And when someone turns his or her back to you, it's not a good response at all. It calls you that this person disrespects you or this person lacks a will for you. Sabihin po natin para siyang snobbish. 10 lepers were not turning their back as they were asking the Lord to heal them of leprosy. They were healed and their answers and their prayers were answered. Marahil po, matindi o malalim din yung pagkapit o yung pagtakbo nila kay Jesus ng mga oras na iyon. Kaya ganun na lamang yung tugon ni Jesus upang sila ay maging mabuti. But what made the story bad in a way was the event that happened after the healing. They literally turned their backs to the Lord and from the Lord. From the hope that after healing 10 lepers, 10 might also say their gratitude again. But 9 broke out to their own concerns. And there's one who came back to the Lord rejoicing and in gratitude. 9 turned their backs to and from Jesus. And the other one was in the spirit of no turning back, even after an answered prayer and a miracle granted. This is a beautiful reminder for all of us, my dear brothers and sisters. After every answered prayer, we do not turn our back to the Lord. There is also no turning back to seek the Lord. Maliban po sa mga madaming pamisa hanggang ngayon sa Manila Cathedral o di kaya kung saan man patungkol para sa mga patay since it's November, madami pa din pong nagpapamisa dahil sila ay nagpapasalamat. Nagpapasalamat dahil nakapasa, nagkatrabaho, natanggap sa interview, nakapag-apply ng visa, nakapag-ayos ng relasyon at madami pang iba. And we are just happy that you, do not turn our back to the Lord and say, I have received what I have prayed for, and this is the end of us. Magkalimutan na tayo. But no. After every answered prayer, we do not turn our back to the Lord in ungratefulness and even in pride, but with gratitude and joy. Dahil tinugon ako ng Diyos, lalapit pa din ako, magpapasalamat pa din ako, magpapatuloy pa din ako, lalaban at kakapit pa din ako sa Diyos. All of us might be praying a special prayer for ourselves or for others. After this Mass and after every encounter in prayer, we will be dispersing to our own concerns. But when the time comes for the Lord to respond to what we need, to what we have hoped for and prayed for, let us not turn our back in pride and in ungratefulness, but face the Lord continuously, even after every miracle and answered prayer, with gratitude and joy, and still no turning back to seek the Lord.